Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting legitimate account access. Have the parent sign into their Microsoft account that holds family safety controls. Once done, confirm the child's gamer tag and which device runs Minecraft Bedrock. Make sure the parent can receive verification codes or reset their password. Without that, settings can't be changed. This step prevents accidental lockouts and preserves account security. It also ensures any changes respect household rules and keeps the account owner in control of permissions and purchase settings. With the parent signed in, go to Family Safety on the Microsoft account and pick the child profile to edit. Then adjust content filters and app permissions specifically for Minecraft Bedrock. Enable access, raise age limits, or change multiplayer and communication settings. If the goal is full independence, the parent can remove the child from the family group, which returns control to the child's account. Make sure to save changes and explain why the settings changed, so expectations stay clear and responsible use is encouraged. After adjusting family safety, sign out of Minecraft Bedrock on the device and sign back in so the new permissions take effect. If the changes don't appear, make sure the device is online, the correct gamer tag is used, and account changes were saved. Then sync or restart the device. If the parent no longer has access to their Microsoft account or settings fail, contact Microsoft or Xbox support for account recovery. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves persistent sync or access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.